Alright, as Jason just put it, this is the Grand something.
I don't know.
Grand Point, Grandview, Grand...
I think it's Grandview.
It's a Grand over impulse.
Totally wrong. It's also a nice view at the top too, though. So I guess you could say that as a grand view.
We'll just call it that. Oh, look, there it is. Grand View.
Oh, I am right. Haha. Grandview Point. The Grand View will be at the top. They have a security here? That's hilarious. This is ThyssenKrupp. Yep, it's ThyssenKrupp. All black, no blue equipment. Yeah. Or might just be ThyssenKrupp.
There's not too much of a grand view at night, but that is the lake over there.
This one I think is actually a full-on ThyssenKrupp. I think it's new enough to be.
A lot of very angry signs in here. Security will be here.
There's all your rules.
Please don't smoke in the elevator. Here's the security phone number.
Oh, no drones. Andrew won't be happy with that.
Look at this. This place has too many rules for me. I guess that's it.